Mabuhay, this is Alexis Fernandez from Davao City. Since it's a brand new year, it's 2024, so let us focus to our responsibilities and obligations. If you are working, kung nagtrabaho ka, empleyado ka, focus ka sa imuhang work para sa imuhang employer. Focus ka sa mga tao, kung nag-handle ka sa mga tao, focus ka sa tanan imong obligations para sa company. If you are a businessman, of course, focus to your business, focus to your products, and of course, sa mga tao, sa operations. Focus ka to this entire first quarter, January, February, and March, para mo kita, mo income. Both kung employees ka or businessman ka, para naka-income to this first quarter of 2024 para naka-income, of course, makabayad sa mga utang o sa imuhang mga project. Kung sabay project nimo, mupalit ba kag kotse, mupalit ba kag mag-invest ba ka og property or mag-travel ka ba abroad, focus sa trabaho, focus sa negosyo din, income, savings. That is my reminders to all of you. Thank you everyone. Thank you to all my friends and subscribers. Continue to likes and to shares my video clips. God bless.